Hello, everyone. Jeff Koppel, realtor and former general contractor. Hey, haven't made a recording in a while, but actually been busy with real estate stuff, building up our new brokerage, and actually came across something a couple days ago that this is probably more for my fellow realtors out there, but it also might be of interest to anybody who's looking to buy or sell a house. For years, there's been a form called T-47 that we've used, and it allows basically the seller to use an existing survey instead of incurring the cost of getting a new survey when they go to sell a property. And that's one of the remaining pieces of paper that requires a notarized signature. Most of everything else we do can be done via electronic signature, but that's the one piece that still, uh, you know, um, uh, basically a notarized signature is required. So for all of you who don't know what that form is, I thought I'd go ahead and pull it up here so you can see what it looks like. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. Okay, so this is the T-47 form, and basically it just has information about who's signing this, which would be the seller, and then information about the property, state that it's the notary is in, since the date that the survey was done would be put right here, and then down here you can see where it requires a notarized signature. So um, back during COVID, the Texas Land Title Association, which is kind of in the similar relationship that Texas Realtors is with Trek. They're basically on the title company side of things, but they interface with Texas Department of Insurance, who actually controls all the forms like this. So back during COVID, they actually came up with a temporary T-47.1 that allowed the form to be submitted without a notarized signature. It was on a test basis, but I thought I would show you that. Let me go ahead and share my screen again with you. And actually pulled up the actual form that they submitted to Texas Department of Insurance back during COVID. And here it is. Let's see, this is the original one that they're suggesting some changes to. Now, here's the marked up T-47.1 that was submitted to Texas Department of Insurance and was actually used for a little while during COVID on a test basis. So as it goes down through here, it makes a few changes, just to kind of simplify the form a little bit. But then down here at the bottom, you can see instead of a notarized signature, now it's just basically requires a declarant signature, which is basically just your sworn statement that nothing's changed on the property. So this now would allow us to do electronic signature like we can with the majority of everything else. So, I saw this. It was created back in 2000, about 2021 sometime. And so I thought, I want to find out what the current status of this is. So what I did is I reached out to Aaron Day, who is the Director of Governmental Affairs for Texas Land Title Association. And lo and behold, Aaron responded back to me with a phone call today. And he said that, yeah, this packet has been submitted to TDI, Texas Department of Insurance. And they're actually reviewing it and just kind of going over any remaining typos, spacing, things like that. But right now, all indications indicate that it's going to be rolled out in November of 2024. So that would really simplify things for a lot of real estate transactions that are happening because no longer would we require the seller to go out and get that notarized. I know a few deals that I've done recently where it's been an out-of-state seller. That can be a little bit complicated in some states. So, they're unfamiliar with our form and it's a little bit complicated. So I'm really looking forward to this change. So anyway, I hope this information has helped you guys today. And if you like this video, I'm always open to suggestions for doing additional videos. So you can always email me at the email there, jeffkoppel@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to put something together. Thanks and have a great day.